Very good morning, all the students of 7th standard. We have completed the two lessons of history, and today we are going to learn the first lesson of political science, that is constitutions to means introductions to our constitution. This is the first lesson of political science, or sorry, civics. For you, it is civics only. So let's revise a few things that in the civics textbook in the previous class we saw many of the reasons why the rules are necessary in our life, that we have seen why the rules are important in our life, that we saw in the last years. We follow norms and rules in order that the activities in the family, our school, our village or city are carried out smoothly. Along with that, we saw some of the activities, how it's carried out smoothly there. There are no rules in a family. There are no rules, no restrictions in our family when we are living. However, there are norms about the behavior of the members of the family. Some of the norms are there, how we have to behave, how we have to live in a family. They are there. So there are rules in a school regarding the admissions in uniform and the studies there. Some of the rules are there about the study, about the admissions. Different competitions also there in the school there. Their own rules are there. The admission of our village, or that means administration of our village or a city, is also carried out in accordance with the rules and the regulations. So administration of our city or the village is carried there similarly there. So the administration of our country is also carried with the same way. The rules regarding the family, school, village, city are limited, but the administration of our country is a little bit different there. The scope is a little bit wider there. See, so some of the questions are there in the textbook. There, you read that answers you will get through this lessons. So here in box there, do you wish to ask the questions that puzzled Samir and Vandana? Where can we find all the rules according to which the administration of a country is carried out? These answers you will get in a constitution. That we'll get the answers of all the questions, rules in a constitution, that who make those rules, that so parliament make these rules, that it is binding on us to follow them. Yes, it is binding on us to follow all the rules. For example, now COVID-19, that what the rules are there, government implemented, and it is restricted, compulsory for us to follow. Meaning of the constitution is there, the book in which all the provisions regarding the administration of our country are mentioned together in a systematic way. To that book we can call as a constitution. What is mean by constitution? Constitution is a book, or is a book of provisions in which all the points are mentioned related with the country, how to govern our country. To that book we can call as a constitution. This make the constitution a written document of a provision related to the government of the country there. So this government means this constitution, it is in the written format, it is a written documentary there, or the book is there. According to that our country works. This government is established by the representative elected by the people. Our government is elected, means it is a present, it is stable due to the elected person. That so these elected persons, they elect by the common people. It is bound to carry out the administrations of the country as per the provision of the constitution. What the rules are there of our constitution, according to that our country, it will be governed according to the rules and the structure. That the rules and the provisions in the constitution are the basic or the fundamental laws. They are the basic or they are the fundamental laws are there of the land. While making the laws of the government, it is bound to follow the constitutions. When they are making the rules, when they are making the laws, it is binding, it is restricted or compulsory to everyone. They have to follow the constitution. If it does not do so, then the judiciary can declare those laws null and void or unconstitutional. And what is that? If some of the laws are not good, that if some of the laws are they are not implemented, and that right is in the hand of the judiciary department. If judiciary department feel that some of the rules are not good, they will be avoid, they will be reject, and if it is okay, then they implement. So this is the judiciary department. Next point, that is provision in the constitution. What provisions are there? The provisions in the constitutions are about different things are there. Different things are there. For example, citizenship, the right of the citizens there. When we are living in country as a citizen, we have some certain right there. Relationship between the citizen and the state. What kind of relation is there between the citizen and our state there? Subject of the laws to be made by the government. What kind of subjects are there in the constitutions? Related with the government, related with the administration, that along with that election restrictions, government judiciaries, jurisdictions of the state. Some of the other things are there. Government there, judiciary department is there, election process or electoral process is there, judiciary. So these are the rules are there, means these subjects are there. On that some certain points are there in the constitution. Almost all the countries have accepted the principle of governing according to the constitution. Most of the countries in the world, they govern according to the constitution. What is the constitution framework is there, rules, laws are there. They govern, they work according to that. Yet the nature of the constitution of the different country is different. But then also, however, the nature of our constitution, of each and every country's constitution is a little bit different. They are not same. Like same way, peoples from each and every country, they are not same only. Little bit different variations are there in them. Like same way, constitution is also different there. There are differences of history there, social structure, cultural tradition, etc. Differences in their social, cultural traditions and history there, like same way. And some of the country in them, sometimes there's similarities also there. Similarities, sameness is there between them. Some they need the same objectives also there. Objectives are some different are there, or some of the objectives little bit same are there. Each country tries to create a constitution that is not only suited to its need and objective, but also it is it is in tune with its distinct nature. That each and every country, they are trying to make their own constitution. That constitution should be suit to them. It will be good to them. It will nurtures their people's or citizens' life. So according to that, they frame the structure or they frame their constitutions. So when it will come tomorrow, then tomorrow will come with the next one. Thank you.